Hi, this is Sherry from the Formilae team, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the social media calendar. So in the left menu you may see some new links available, which is because we've just launched the phase 1 of the social media calendar system. This system will allow you to schedule posts to your social media calendars. Or sorry, your social media outlets. So we've started out with Facebook, and we plan to add on many more: Twitter, Instagram, uh, YouTube, and if there's any social media outlet that you feel that you want us to post entries for you on from your calendar, just let us know your feedback. Okay, so this is what empty calendar looks like. Right now we don't have any calendars set up. So when you get there, you'll see an empty pull down because you have to set up your calendar first. So let's go there and set up a calendar. So we're going to go to application setup and then social media calendars. And then you're going to click add calendar. So again, we only have Facebook integration right now. We've just recently been approved by Facebook to have our customers be able to do this. Okay, so you're going to name your calendar. We're going to be demoing today with Earth's Endangered account. And then you're going to log in with Facebook. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to log in. Some of you may already be logged into Facebook from your computer. So just expect, if you're already logged in, don't expect this screen. If you aren't logged in, go ahead and log in. All right, so it'll take you step by step. So uh, I was already connected to this to the app, but I disconnected for the sake of the demo. So just make sure you just follow along and click the whatever button comes up to allow you to go to the next page. So what this means is you are granting Formilae access to be able to post to your timeline. So I'm going to say got it. Okay. So it looks like we're all set. And like I said, you may get different behavior depending on how you're logged in already. So just expect that. And so like if you, and here, if you have multiple business accounts, which I do, I have my Formilae business account, and then I'm also the creator of Earth's Endangered Creatures. And for this demo, I'm going to demo Earth's Endangered Creatures. So that is the feed ID. You'll need to enter your feed ID, and everybody doesn't know their feed ID to their timeline. So all you have to do is click into this field and a list of feed IDs will come up for you to select since we now have an access token. We do not have access to your password or anything. The login with Facebook button gives us access to your timeline without us touching any of your credentials. Facebook has provided us a token to be able to post entries to your timeline. Okay, and you're going to leave it active and then click save. So once you're all set up, you'll be able to see a quick link to go to the calendar that we visited before. So let's go there. And so here you can view your live feed. You can see what's already there. So this is the Earth's Endangered timeline. Okay, and then so you're going to click on a date. You can either publish an entry right now or you can schedule it. So if you want to publish an entry now, you're going to have to click on today's date and then select your calendar because you can have multiple calendars. You might have multiple business accounts, or you might have different calendars you want to set up even for the same timeline for different. You might want to enter different topics And since you're watching this video, I'll give you a preview of what's coming in the future. In the future, you will be able to utilize AI technology that will integrate with our system, and the AI will fill your whole calendar for you according to the topics that you pick. So that's what's coming down in the future. So, but right now, you would have to manually, if you want AI to create a post for you, you would have to manually do that. Anywhere in the system where you see this robot, Ferris, uh, this means that you can have him write something for you, or it. I always call the robot a him, but it's an it. So, clicking on this robot, you enter a command. So, write a cool fact about the endangered, let's see, what's an endangered species? Blue whale. And I may have already posted this already, but let's see what he says, just for the sake of the demo. This is completely optional because some of my users don't like AI. So you don't have to use it. It's completely optional. If you see Ferris floating around, just ignore him. You'll see him saying hello, but you can just ignore it. And if you want to use your brain and write your own post, you can do that. Okay, so the blue whale is the largest animal on Earth, measuring up to 33 meters long and weighing up to 190 tons. We integrate with OpenAI, and if I don't know if you've used Chat GPT can be disobedient sometimes. So just bear with us with that. Okay, and so you can, for now, you can only post images, but we have video coming soon. And this is just a little side feature for your business. It may seem a little bare right now, but it's going to grow. Like I said, we'll be adding Twitter and a bunch of other social media outlets next. I think we're going to do Instagram next, then Twitter. We'll see. But we will send out a mass email when different features become available. Okay, so if you want, you can post an image. If you already have the image uploaded on your own website, you can provide the URL, or you can upload the image. And just know that if you do upload an image, it'll only stay on our server the until the posting becomes live on your feed. After that, the image is deleted from our server. So no biggie, it does end up on your timeline. And then you can stage it or you can publish it now. So staging, so you might be thinking, why would I not want to stage it? Well, there could be several reasons. Like you may hire a social media manager to fill your calendar for you, and you may want to look it over so they can save it and not stage it. And then when you log in, you can stage it yourself if you approve of it or want to make revisions for it. And then in the future, when we have our automated system with the artificial intelligence who will fill your calendar for you according to your topics, and maybe the robot will stage it for you, and then you can look it over before it does, because you don't want, you know, AI isn't perfect, so you may not want to just have faith in the robot and have him posting things on your timeline without revising it. So staging it will make it official, and if you stage it, it will be posted on that exact time frame that you schedule. Okay, so now this we're at the end of the day here. It's 11:21, so that's why it's not letting me set the time. I'm going to have to post this now because you have to schedule things at, I think it's at least an hour before midnight on that day, or because we just like that a certain amount of time uh, before you can schedule things. So like I said, it's the end of the day. It's 11:22, so I can't schedule this for today anymore. I'll have to publish this now. So let's do that and let's publish it. And I didn't supply an image, but well, let's do that. Let's upload an image. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to post the picture of the blue whale. So as you can see, I did not use my own image and I uploaded an image. So it created this temporary URL for that image because Facebook's API needs a URL for that image. So the image is placed temporarily on the Formilae server, and then we're going to publish this now. And actually, all right, so the entry was successful, and we can now view it on the live feed. And there it is. Okay, so this could save you a lot of time if uh, you have decide one day you have time to fill up your whole calendar, and then you won't have to worry about it any other day. So let's schedule something for the 22nd, and then I'll just use the same thing. I'm going to schedule it at 2:30 p.m. on 6/22. Okay, so just I know it's repetitive, but it's just for the sake of the demo. So we're staging it, and we're going to click save. So now this entry is scheduled for June 22nd, 2:30 p.m. You can preview the image, and you can view your live feed as it is now. You can pause it. So you might have things filled in your calendar, and you might decide, well, let me pause things for now. You can come and pause it. So if you do that, it'll be unstaged, and then you can quickly stage it to reschedule it. You can delete it or edit it. You might decide you want a different photo, so you can remove the image and add a new one. Edit your caption, change the time just as long as it hasn't passed. So that's basically it. So be sure and watch our other FAQ video about different roles. So if you hire a social media manager, you can set up an account for your social media manager in Formilae and have them log in and fill your calendar for you. So I think that is it, and that will end this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.